Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall Outlook on your Windows 11. So simply press on and search to settings or open your settings, or you just open your settings or search here to settings. Open your settings, follow the left side showing it to apps. Press on, click on to installed apps. Press on this arrow icon. So you just find here your Outlook apps, or search here to Outlook. Press on three dot, click on to uninstall. Okay, now successfully uninstall my Outlook. And how can I easily reinstall this? Open your Microsoft Store, search here to Microsoft Store. Then you get this interface. Go to search option, search here to Outlook. Okay, then showing it to my Outlook for Windows. Open and press on to get. Okay, now successfully reinstall my Outlook. Press on to open, then open this. So that's it.